Well, what do you know? The seasons are changing, which is bad for birding. Not much birding happening. However, I do want to head out for at least a little bit today and do some shooting. Not sure what opportunities will be there, so I'm going to be taking the 150-450, my DFA 100 macro, and my 1650 f2.8 PLM. Just throw all... right, I can't do all of that. Yeah, so I guess the advantage of the seasons changing and less shooting for what I primarily focus on, the birding kind of thing, wildlife, that kind of thing. I guess it's time to review my bag situation. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head inside and see what I can do about that. Because sometimes you just gotta reevaluate your situation, right? So head inside the house, figure this out. Ooh, that is super dark. Super dark. There, that's better. So generally the bag that I take when I am shooting with the 150-450 is this pack here. Camera just goes into the side, in this side pocket here. This is a sling bag. Zipper this up, right? Camera's nice and secure. But then this flap here, as you can see, is it's very thin, right? So there's not a whole lot of protection. And inside here, not a whole lot of protection either, right? So bring this a bit closer here. So it's very thin, and there's a small divider, but there's no padding, right? So generally, 150-450 just slides in sideways like so, right? But then it becomes extremely top heavy, right? And then when you put the bag down, the other issue too is the fact that when you put the bag down, it doesn't stay, right? It always falls over onto the strap gets dirty, and then you end up with dirt on your clothing, right? So that's not very ideal. Now, the other bag, which is a sling style bag as well, this bag is generally for small lenses. So camera body on one side and then one lens, right? And that's pretty much all the room that you have. So I can't take a big lens, right? So yeah, it would be nice if there was just a solution I could find that would just cover all the bases all at once, and like including flashes and other accessories depending on what you're shooting. That would be ideal if I could just have one bag that can just cover all the bases. I don't have to pack it up with everything, but at least it'll give me the options to be able to shoot whatever I need, wherever I need, and the portability to be able to carry, a couple of flashes, triggers, camera body, various lenses, batteries, everything, right? Plus the fact that I have scoliosis. Yes, I know. But I have scoliosis, so top heavy bags really put a toll on my back. What the heck? I'm not expecting anybody. That's weird. Well, let's go find out who is here. Not expecting anyone. I don't have any appointments or anything. Huh. I don't see anybody. What the heck? That's weird. Huh. That's interesting. This is really nice, actually. Really nice. What is this? I have no idea. Where did this even come from? No way. What? It just stands up on its own? Huh. Wow. Okay, I have definitely got to check this out. What the heck? Okay, wow, it's got that really nice TPU canvas finish. That kind of rubberized water repellent thing. Wow, this is... Where did this come from? This is weird. I'll take it. Oh, nice. Okay, it's got the lower hip straps. Take some of that support off your back. Okay, it's got the chest strap here. Ooh, and it's adjustable. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. Really nice. Has a lot of loops for attaching other things. Okay, what is that? Black Snipe. Ooh, and it's got a handle here as well. Oh, when you're traveling. Oh, that is wicked. So when you're traveling, you can just slide, if you have one of the roller carry things, and just slide it right in here over the handle, and this will just rest like that, or you can carry it like this. This has like every single feature. These back straps are super thick, super thick. Really, really nice padding, almost like a memory foam kind of thing. Oh yeah, it's got nice ventilated padding on the back here, all done in like a mesh finish. Wow. Side pocket. Ooh, even with like a water outlet grommet thing there. Wow. Okay, extra straps. Okay, yeah. I believe, yeah, this is definitely for tripod, so you can mount a tripod to this. Oh yeah, just underneath here. Oh, and it's got little feet. Wow, this is completely unexpected. Okay, so how do you... Okay, so that's magnetic on that side. Okay, nice deep pocket here for water bottle. Oh, and it opens? Okay, that is wicked. Opens right up. Camera access on the side. Obviously, I'm going to have to move these dividers and set this up a certain way. Okay, it's got like another thing inside here. What is this? Light chaser with like a little owl logo. That is, I like that, light chaser. Oh yeah, and this has nice padding as well. 2 deep pockets. Okay. Oh, the zippers are hooked. Oh, you can hook the zippers together, I guess. Oh yeah, you can lock the zippers. So it looks like they've really thought about security. That's always good. And what is this? It's got a little arrow on it here. A little arrow pointing this way, so... Oh man, what? Okay, so that's to unlock it. It automatically locks back. That is cool. So if someone doesn't know, okay, if someone doesn't know, they'll never get into this bag. That is cool. VSGO design. Huh, okay, what's this? This is... Oh, okay. Oh, it's a little screwdriver thing on a lanyard. Attaches to the zipper. And then you use this for your tripod plates and stuff like that. Wow. This is crazy. Like, is there anything they have not thought of? And I guess this is... Not sure why the side straps. Well, I guess just to keep the bag from expanding too far. I guess that's what that's for. Okay, and then it's got top access as well. No way. Is this exactly what I've been talking about? Looks like it. Goes all the way in. And then, is there another side pocket? Yeah, let me open up the other side pocket and see what's in there. So another pocket here. Oh, another strap, Velcro thing. okay, just opens up. It's just flat. There's nothing. It doesn't go into the bag, but it's got 2 pockets here and here. All right, let's see what's happening at the back side here. Oh, it's light chaser again. 25L, so 25-liter bag. And then it's got, okay, magnetic clasp here. Pretty sure, okay, this has got to be, yeah, it's for a laptop. It's pretty big, actually. Looks like it would fit most likely a, well, I guess 16-inch. Oh, let's find out. This is 16. It actually looks like it would fit, yeah, it would most likely fit a 17-inch laptop. Oh, it's got extra dividers that came with it. 2 more pockets, zippered pockets with some mesh. And then this zippers onto the back here. I'll probably just leave this unzipped. Okay, and then the top access is from this side here. And then you can remove this divider and have everything else set up. This is a really, really nice bag. Wow. Okay, I'm going to reconfigure all this and see if this is the dream bag I've been hoping for. Okay, well, that took a little bit of figuring out, but wow. Oh, wow. So as you can see, I've got the 15450 mounted directly to the K3 Mark III. Got my 1650 f 2.8 PLM, DFA 100 macro. I could throw the 55300 PLM here. I could throw 18135 here or whatever other lens. I've got my flash here, V1P from Godox. Throw a trigger in here, and wow. Yeah, this is this is amazing. Wow. And then I still have pockets here for some accessories, right? And yeah, here and on this side, you know, I've got this magnetic flap here if I want to take my laptop to do some editing on the go. And yeah, I guess it's time to throw this bad boy on my back and head out there and see what happens. Okay, one thing I can honestly say is that this bag is extremely comfortable. Even with all that gear that I have in here, it is supremely comfortable. I have no issues with, you know, having it lugging down my back, or, you know, it's fantastic. All right, well, I guess it's time for me to switch, well, get the 15450 ready. So let's remove the pack, and I just gotta open up the top here, and here we go. Perfect. So easy, so incredibly easy. And yep, all right, strap is good. Get that on there, just like that. All right, and put the backpack back on first before I do that. So I'll just put you down there. Wilderness shooting, it's great. And I love this fidlock thing. Snaps into place so effortlessly. It's great. This is fantastic. This is a fantastic bag. I just don't want these dangling, so remount these back on. Grab you. Some of the features of this bag: dual side internal storage pockets, internal multiple storage pockets, dual side external storage pockets for water bottle. They have a strap, you can lock a tripod, as well as a belt with multiple attachment points, bottom straps for tripods if you don't want to use the side carrying. It actually has mounts on the shoulder strap for you to hang air blowers, multiple configurations, has a breathable layer and suspended mesh fabric for the back pads that rest against your back, adjustable chest strap, adjustable waist belt. The top handle is a solid piece of hollow woven fabric. You can use it for travel photography, video creation. I believe you can fit a DJI Mavic 3 in the backpack as well. Or how I have it set up in scenic mode, where you can have up to a 200 to 600 millimeter lens, as well as some additional lenses and other accessories like batteries, things like that. So overall, this is an incredibly well thought out bag. And one thing I did forget to mention is it does have a large front pocket right below the flap that gives you access from the top. So right below that is a large, deep, magnetically closing pocket. So this bag is phenomenal, and I just want to give a big shout out to VSGO, who actually did send me this bag to review, test out. It seems that the Black Snipe products from VSGO are the most well-designed, most thought out accessories that you can possibly get for your photography. Those straps that I mentioned before on the side of the bag that are built in, those are, I just slipped my mind, those are actually for strapping a tripod. So the tripod fits in the pocket, and then the upper strap that's mounted to the bag is for side mount tripod usage, for carrying. And then you have the extra loops that it comes with as well for the bottom, for you to attach tripods there. Yeah, so I mean, I've been out for quite a while now, and I haven't had any issues. I mean, the bag is just, it's very comfortable. The straps are nice and wide. They're well padded, you know, with the hip support at the bottom, with the straps. It just takes all the weight and pressure off your back. You can hike all day long. And I was actually reading some things about exercising with a weighted bag. So just pack all your camera gear and just go for a hike. Get some seriously good cardiovascular exercise, and you happen to see something, it's easy to access. All the compartments, open it up, take out your camera, start firing. So yeah, I will post the links to purchase this product in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.